Okay, effort 13.
Effort 13.
Starting at Kelso and heading off to 4th Side Road. Exciting.
Very exciting.
Definitely do something together again in the future.
Oh, I think so. Like I was saying to her, I said I would love to. I told her about.
Yeah.
But I expect.
Did I turn the right way? I was sure it said right turn. Yeah, that's lovely.
The log church. Because really, what can we really control, right?
Well, we can control a lot of discovery around, you know, there isn't, you know, there wasn't, I think as well-meaning as I am, I can sometimes press people a little too hard.
She just kind of like was very impulsive.
Yeah.
Learners together. We created things together. Yeah, friendship.
And nope. And there was no compelling reason to cast him out. Maybe no one else. But it kind of never has been with any of my friends, really. Yeah.
Just sitting there, not in the air.
Well, there's a scenic view over here where the turkey vulture is.
Where did you get that story from?
I don't know. I've had it for a while. Are the assumptions and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And I've got a set of instructions that I also wrote that when we're talking about Abel, it's like, okay, this is what it's about. We're all super close to the edge.
I was just going to pull out the food and we keep walking.
Okay.
I wasn't going to sit here. I think we need to keep moving, yeah? So we need to get across?
Yeah, we do. And we're either going through or we're going over.
So this looks narrower down here.
It does, but it's probably deeper and faster.
Let's get some hydration too. Before we start moving on. Could you get this one for me?
Pardon me? Yep.
Yes, right. I don't remember. When did we have our last meeting?
Well,
Monday.
it's supposed to be this Monday. What?
I love my nerd.
You're supposed to say talk nerdy to me. Activism.
Definitely not activism.
No.
Don't walk in front of me. I may not follow. Don't walk behind me. I may not lead. Just walk beside me and be my friend.
She sounds like she's really recalcitrant. In this part of the track, maybe you don't go past 5, maybe 5 breaks? No, I'm sure 5 goes through. I think 5 and 10 and 15 all go through the Bruce Trail. Oh, fuck. Oh well. I said it would be like if Cookie Monster wrote an article called C is for Cookie, because sometimes you won't.
Get there.
I went to the stones.
You went to that stone? Oh, here.
Yeah.
Yeah, good idea. Okay. Stone, stone. Stone, stone. Wood, stone, 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 stone. Grass. Mud.
Coming into another tricky bit.
That's how you do it.
All right, there it was. It was a little muddy, a little wet, a little flooded, but we're here. Yay.